Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 King Stinger GT, stock reference number 4522. This shape runs from the 6 month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G6 DP 3.3 litre V6 twin turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic rear wheel drive transmission. G6 DP 3.3 litre V6 twin turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left hand rear and left hand front. We have the bonnet, suit track car, does have a bit of damage at the front end. Radiator grille also has a light bit of damage as well. Camera type, suit GT. Right hand LED headlight. Left guard, small bit of damage on the front edge, still may be usable. This vehicle is fitted with 19-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre. We have a Brembo brake kit, 4 calipers and hoses. Left power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Tailgate has a little bit of damage up the top edge, still may be usable. Right hand tail light, LED type. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right side skirt. Right hand guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With a driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Black leather center console. Automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 8-inch sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.